गया अर्नब गोस्वामी। अच्छा ओहो।
On the panel tonight, we have Mr. Arvind Kejriwal from the Aam Aadmi Party, Mr. Rahul Gandhi from the Congress Party, also known as UPA, the United Phegu Alliance, BJP's Prime Ministerial candidate Mr. Narendra Modi, and well known but never heard, the face of the Indian common man, our audience tonight. So tonight, Arnab wants to know, will the Aam Aadmi Party be able to deliver on its promises, the change in Indian politics it promised a few months back? I am going to start this one-sided debate with my personal views and judgments disguised as questions for greater impact. Mr. Gandhi from the Congress Party. Mr. Gandhi here is responsible for delivering the greatest promises that were never fulfilled. And 60% of the women empowerment speeches in the country. I'm sorry, that's 80%. My question to you is, Mr. Gandhi, your political party's numerous attempts to recreate the prowess of Jawaharlal Nehru cabinet have failed. Don't you think it's time you stopped using new generation and young leader in all your political manifestos?
See, Arnab, you need to first of all allow me to thank you for having me on your show.
No, Mr. Gandhi, please do not patronize me. Do not patronize me. Don't think that if you'll pat my back, I'll go easy on you. Please.
I'm sorry.
You should be.
See, our political party has been constantly delivering some of the biggest policy-making promises of the country for the past so many years. The credit goes to Dr. Singh, of course. In fact, in the past 10 years, we have worked a lot towards the empowerment of the women. Item songs in a Bollywood film have gone up from 2 to 4.
My God.
We believe in inclusive growth or not. Look at our allies. No, look at our allies. They created employment schemes for out-of-job politicians. Lalu Prasad Yadav, Mayawati, Jayalalitha. The entire credit goes to Mr.
No, but Mr. Gandhi, what about Suresh Kalmadi? Where there is Suresh Kalmadi and you keep on saying that all the credit goes to Manmohan Singh? Where is Manmohan Singh? What has Manmohan Singh done in the last 10 years? Has he delivered on his promises?
See, Dr. Singh said that good or bad governance is a state of mind or not.
No, but I am asking you a simple question that what has Manmohan Singh done?
The question that lies here
No,
is,
has he even talked to the Indian citizens? You tell me.
it's about the empowerment of women.
I am asking you a simple question. What has Manmohan Singh done?
He has worked towards the empowerment of women.
Mr. Gandhi, I am asking you a simple question. What has Manmohan Singh done? Has he ever given a decent speech?
No, he has not given a speech. So what? He has worked towards the empowerment of the
Mr.
Lok Sabha
Gandhi,
Speaker.
say empowerment one more time. I dare you. Say empowerment again. I double dare you. Thank you. Mr. Gandhi, like the opposition said in this page 3 interview, and I quote, the only thing the Shehzada has done in these 10 years is show his face in a franchisee created by his own family. And that too as a sidekick who even makes masculine sports bike look uncool. In fact, his only claim to fame is the interview he did with me a few months back.
See, Arnab, you need to ask a very basic question here. What does Rahul Gandhi think about Rahul Gandhi regarding the empowerment of women, of course? Who will ask these fundamental questions?
Answering the
Arnab?
question with another question. A thorough professional reply there. Mr. Arvind Kejriwal from the Aam Aadmi Party. Mr. Kejriwal, the founder and CEO of AAP, can you hear me? Yes, Mr. Kejriwal, with the मैं हूँ आम आदमी cap, can you hear me?
हाँ आ रही है अर्नब जी, आवाज़ आ रही है।
Yes, please continue.
अर्नब जी 60 साल पहले गवर्नमेंट आई थी, द नेहरू गवर्नमेंट, जो ना केवल एक बेहतरीन कैबिनेट थी पर एक एफिशिएंट लीडरशिप भी थी। वो लोग सरकार नहीं बनाते थे क्या? आज के लोग सरकार चलाना भूल गए हैं। हम लोग इनको सरकार चलाना सिखाएंगे। अर्नब जी, हम कौन है? हम इस देश की दबी कुचली थकी हारी जनता है। हम लोग क्या चाहते हैं अपनी सरकार से? अच्छे लोगों, कोई क्रिमिनल्स ना हो और लीडर्स की 2 बातें दिल को छू के निकल जाए। ये बेसिक ज़रूरतें पूरी नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, इसलिए लास्ट ईयर हमने सिंगापुर में मरीना बे के सामने अनशन किया था ताकि लोकपाल बिल पास हो जाए। अन्ना जी भी थे हमारे साथ, उन्होंने भी अनशन किया था। हमारी मांगे बस इतनी सी थी कि इस देश में जो भी पॉलिटिक्स हो उसमें कोई गलत काम ना हो, कि कहीं उसमें कोई स्कैम, चोरी या डकैती ना हो। क्या गलत चाह रहे हैं हम लोग? इस देश की जनता पक चुकी है, वो जाग रही है, वो किसी भी बड़ी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी को फ्लॉप कर सकती है। जाके देख लो दिल्ली इलेक्शन के रिजल्ट, क्रांति आ रही है, ये क्रांति है या हम आ रही है ना?
First of all, you cannot speak for so long on my show and that too in Hindi. For our English viewers, I'll translate what he said. He said that the Indian method of politics are pathetic. He used a lot of curse words to describe the Indian politicians, and then he claimed that at a party he got drunk and had a fight with Lalu Prasad Yadav.
अर्नब जी, don't be immature.
You don't be immature myself. Immature.
एक मिनट, मैं बोलूं, मैं अपनी बात पूरी कर लूं। इन्होंने देश को 2G स्कैम से शर्मिंदा किया, इन्होंने कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स का क्या हाल बना दिया। ये लोग चोर नहीं है क्या? हम गलत कह रहे हैं कि इन्होंने चोरी किया है? नहीं, इस देश के अंदर गलत कह रहे हैं इन्होंने चोरी किया है। गलत कह रहे हैं हम लोग, गलत कह रहे हैं क्या? गलत कह रहे हैं?
Mr. Gandhi, please respond to that.
Arnav, this is anarchy. There is a proper structure in this country for investigating. The various judicial courts pass necessary judgments on the basis of evidence.
अरे हाई कोर्ट ऑफ
अरे who is Arvind Kejriwal to make such
अरे हाई कोर्ट ऑफ
claims? Who is
सुप्रीम
he?
कोर्ट बाद में इसकी जांच कौन करेगा? हमने अपनी सारी फंडिंग अपनी वेबसाइट पर डाल रखी है, जाके देख लो। हमने इनसे भी कहा कि अपनी सारी फंडिंग अपनी वेबसाइट पर डालो, कहते हैं कि चोरी हो जाएगी। अरे भाई चोरी कहाँ से हो जाएगी? अरे भाई चोरी कहाँ से हो जाएगी? अरे भाई चोरी कहाँ से हो जाएगी? सारी तो तुमने चुरा रखी है।
No, but Mr. Kejriwal, you cannot just go around calling everybody a thief.
Exactly.
Even if the courts are biased, the public is not. Indian public responds strongly to such malpractices. Would anybody from the audience like to respond to that? Yes. Would anybody from the audience like to respond to that? Yes, please.
Sir, I would like to say that right now we are dealing with the coalition governments. So it is about the laws which the government
I'm
formulates
sorry.
and the laws which they are
I'm
not
sorry.
able to
I have cut
implement.
you off. You are starting to make some sense, so I'll have to cut you off. I will now turn and forcibly impose my views on eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Mr. Narendra Modi from the NDA, also known as Narendra Development Alliance. Mr. Modi, you represent the intelligent political circuit of India. What do you have to say about the concerns raised by Mr. Kejriwal? No, 1 second. Yeah, everybody ready? Go ahead.
Kejriwal does not know his facts. Arnab, I think that Mr. Kejriwal does not know his facts. Sure, there is an existence of corrupt political leaders which indulge in the debauchery and attempt to discombobulate the unfeeling politicians like us. But the canvas of politics in India has gone much beyond its realm, felicitating the unconventional, barring the human soul, and at the same time touching every day the new pinnacles of global development. Arnab, we believe in development, of developing development, of the development of the era of developing development of the Indian economy. So, development, yeah.
Mr. Gandhi, मेरे को कुछ समझ नहीं आया. In case you got what he meant, then please respond to that.
Arnab, Modi and team consistently keep on talking about development of India. But what about the Gujarat riots in 2002? So many people lost their lives in that massacre. Will Narendra Modi? No. Can Narendra Modi come forward and apologize for those riots?
I don't understand why this issue of Gujarat right is being brought up again and again. I don't understand this at all. What about Operation Blue Star? No. Tell me, what about Operation Blue Star? What about yours? What about CWG scam? Will Manmohan Singh
was a great success.
Will Manmohan Singh apologize?
Go on, genuinely.
Arey, bhai, Gujarat. We developed the landscape of Gujarat. We are the most developed state.
No. But Mr. Modi, an accusation cannot be the reply of another accusation. This is cheating. I'm cutting with you. Mr. Kejriwal, if you can respond to that, please. I want to talk to him.
अर्नब जी, ये दोनों इस देश की जनता को बेवकूफ़ बना रहे हैं। एक कमर्शियल पॉलिटिक्स के नाम पे हमें लूट रहा है, दूसरा डेवलपमेंट के नाम पे हमें बोरिंग स्पीचेस सुना रहा है। इन्होंने एक लॉ पास किया था, RTI, गया था जी मैं पूरे परिवार के साथ कंप्लेंट फाइल करने। 1 साल खत्म हो गया, इन्फॉर्मेशन तो क्या, कंप्लेंट की रसीद तक नहीं मिली। वो कलमाड़ी साहब ने कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स कराई 400 करोड़ के प्रोजेक्ट को, नहीं तो 400 करोड़ के प्रोजेक्ट को 4000 करोड़ में खत्म कराया। कहाँ गया वो सारा पैसा? यही तो स्कैम है, इसकी जान कौन करे?
Mr. Kejriwal of Honey Dust PO. Arnab, what I'm trying to say that AAP is nothing else but Team B of UP itself. Now what they'll do is that they announce their candidature for the same constituencies as us and cut down on a parliamentary majority. This is a big conspiracy theory, Arnab. They're trying to reverse Rahul Gandhi by saying that he looks like an Aam Aadmi. That's exactly what they're doing.
ये दोनों देश की जनता को बेवकूफ बना रहे हैं।
Yeah, please respond to that.
अर्नब, ये लोग सिर्फ गांधी को, यादव को लॉन्च करेंगे। हम लोग इस देश के शुक्ला, बंसल और गुप्ता को लॉन्च करना चाहते हैं। हम लोग इस देश के हर घर में जाके 700 लीटर फ्री पानी बांटेंगे और इन सबको एक्सपोज करेंगे हम। जनता माफ नहीं करेगी, करारा जवाब मिलेगा, करारा जवाब मिलेगा।
No, please. No. For our English viewers, I'll translate what he said. He says that cow goes moo, frog goes crow. But what does the fox says? Arnab wants to know.
Arnab, Mr. Kejriwal has failed already.
No,
He had assured his people that within 15 days of formation of his government, he will pass the Lokpal bill. Where is that bill? It's been 2 months already.
लिख रहे हैं। हमारे जेल पेन की रिफिल खत्म हो गई, लिख रहे हैं हम लोग। तुम लोगों को इतना मैप नहीं है हमारे पास, लिख रहे हैं हम, लिख रहे हैं।
They accused us of giving tickets to criminals and corrupt politicians, but now they are themselves doing that.
We are not offering tickets. अरे मीडिया झूठ बोलती है, ये मीडिया का झूठ है।
अरे बेटा,
अन्ना जी मेरे बहुत करीब हैं, मैं उनकी बहुत इज्जत करता हूँ, वो भी मेरे साथ हैं।
Arnab, let me complete.
Mr. Modi,
Let me complete myself.
Mr. Modi, let me talk to my viewers.
Arnab, let me complete myself.
Mr. Modi,
Arnab,
Mr. Modi, shut up.
I will not be Sanju. Why should I be Sanju? You go watch Pogo.
I don't watch Pogo. I'm a grown man. Why do I Pogo?
I've seen you watch Chhota Bheem.
I don't watch Chhota Bheem. Season 2 was pathetic. Please don't make such baseless accusations, yaar.
Arnab, let me
Mr.
complete.
Modi.
Let me complete myself.
Mr. Modi.
Arnab, I think Aap is already very much supporting their mandate.
What did you say? No, Mr. Modi, what did you say? Yeah, please get me a one-on-one with Mr. Modi, yaar. No, बाद में बात चल रही है. Yes, Mr. Modi, please repeat yourself.
I don't have to repeat myself.
No, you said something about accepting money from Aam Aadmi Party.
Yes, I used those
Mr.
words.
Modi!
Oh, you will not let me complete
Mr.
that.
Modi!
Arnab, you're doing it again.
Mr. Modi!
Arnab, let me complete myself.
Motu! Never again question an honest actor. I'm sorry, a journalist. The interruptions are a format of this reality show. I mean a news debate. My viewers know me. Nobody tells me what to say. You don't tell me what to say. Even my teleprompter does not tell me what to say.
Dr. Singh can tell you what to
I'll beat you, I'm telling you. I'll give the final conclusion, as I always do, to prove that I'm ultimately right. It is possible that Aam Aadmi Party has good intentions, maybe a little over-ambitious. But will they succeed in the long run? Only time will tell, or I will tell. The other political parties, you surely have some good individual politicians, but your previous track record is bad, like really bad. So that's it for tonight then.
No. You know, we all have a point to make. You followed us all the way to the show, but we never got a chance to...
Sir, you are a part of the Indian audience. Nothing you say will ever matter to the Indian leaders. So that's it for tonight at our show. After this, you'll watch the exclusive coverage of how Sonia Gandhi got into Manmohan Singh's house and forced him to give a speech. See you tomorrow, same time at prime time.